Folks, if you're a programmer, you spend the better part of your days staring at monitors. And by the end of the day, the eye strain can be crazy. That's why meet the first EyeCare Monitor, your solution for comfy and productive coding sessions. I'm Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today I'm going to do a detailed review of the BenQ GW32 monitor. In this video you get a quick overview of the product, a look at its design and main features, and a real example of how it works in action. We'll talk about the key things that make it great, and finally whether this is the product worth buying today. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's jump in! Okay folks, so let me tell you a few words about this monitor while I'm unboxing it, because I have to say, this is a pretty interesting product. So this is a 31.5-inch monitor model by BenQ that was announced in 2023. It's a part of the new line, designed with a focus on ergonomic eye care features. It looks like BenQ's marketing specifically targets programmers and those looking for a better life-work balance. That's why this product is carefully designed to provide top-notch performance. Well guys, right away, just by looking at it, you can see it has an eye-catching design. It's all white and sleek and looks stylish. You know, it has that minimalistic look on the one hand, but on the other, it looks very high-end. That's why I can tell that it can fit in almost any interior design without any issues. Now, as you can see, the monitor has a matte anti-glare IPS screen. It's 31.5 inches, so I would say it's pretty large. And by the way, it's nice to see that for a large monitor like this, there is a solid and sturdy stand. That's why, folks, you definitely don't have to worry about your monitor being unsteady. And what is especially great, mates, you can easily adjust height, pivot, tilt, and swivel of the monitor. In other words, you can turn it and adjust its position however you like. Okay, and now let's turn it around. Alright friends, now let's talk about the main features this beautiful thing has. I will start with all the inputs and outputs. So on the bottom of the monitor, we can see HDMI 1.4, a DisplayPort 1.2, a DisplayPort out. It supports MST or multi-stream transport, a USB-C with 65-watt power delivery, and finally two USB 3.2 Type-A ports. Now, under the left corner, you can also find an additional USB-C port, another USB 3.2 Type-A port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So basically, folks, no matter how you want to connect it, this monitor easily supports the full resolution and refresh rate. And thanks to MST, you can even create a multi-monitor setup. Basically, you can daisy-chain by connecting another monitor like GW27 or GW24, and also any device you like, such as a smartphone or a tablet. And mates, one more thing. The GW32 monitor comes with a built-in power supply. That means that you only need a single C13 power cable to get it up and running. That's why, guys, you can say goodbye to those annoying power adapters. Okay, now just look at this screen. First of all, it has an impressive 2K QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, with a refresh rate of 75 Hz and a responsive 5 milliseconds. And folks, I would say it's good both for watching videos and hours of coding. Moreover, the monitor supports a wide 99% sRGB color gamut and features brightness intelligence technology. That means that it adjusts brightness and color temperature based on ambient light and on-screen content. But wait guys, that's not all. This monitor comes with built-in noise cancellation microphones and speakers with noise filters. That's why you can always be sure of the high quality of your business calls. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Now mates, let's talk about what kind of user experience this monitor can offer. I am sure that most of you guys know that everyday eye strain is probably one of the hardest things about a coder's work. And it's really great to see that BenQ understands that. That's why this monitor is designed with features to address common issues, like dry eyes, eye fatigue, and even the risk of short-sightedness. And guys, let me give you a bit more detail here. If we look at the bottom right side of the screen, we will spot the key controls for the on-screen display, or OSD. And what do we have here? The basic power button, a handy 5-way controller, and 3 individual buttons for low blue light plus, noise filter speaker, and a microphone. Okay guys, so using the 5-way controller, you can easily navigate through the OSD and access various settings and color modes, including user, standard, keyer mode, coding, e-paper, etc. For me, when I'm working, coding, M-book, and e-paper modes are the most important. So folks, here is what the coding mode does. It boosts text and interface contrast by pushing them closer to black. At the same time, it also increases the vibrancy of color text for better visibility. All these minimize eye strain when you look at the screen. But what's more, there are 5 levels of blue light filter and the timer mode that reminds you to take breaks at set intervals. This mode adjusts the settings of the BenQ monitor to align with your MacBook's display. What this does is ensure color consistency and minimize discrepancies between different panels. And all that makes it a valuable option if color accuracy is crucial for your work. Okay, and here is another super cool feature. It's a super handy app with its own interface. It lets you tweak color, modes, and brightness, offering features like timer mode, distance reminder, sound notification, and sleek dark mode theme. And sure guys, this monitor is designed to give a great boost to your productivity, but it's still important to take breaks for your overall way of being. And guys, the first great thing about the BenQ GW32 is its amazing screen. It's great when you need a larger display or when there is a lot of light around. Another thing I love is lots of display mods, and I cannot help enjoying the eye-friendly features like blue light filters and timers to reduce eye strain. That will definitely help a lot during long hours of coding. Next, it has lots of various inputs and outputs. Conveniently, it supports daisy chaining, reducing cable clutter if you have multiple monitors in your setup. I also love how helpful the EyeCare U app is, especially if you have a hard time navigating the settings. Finally, it's amazing how adjustable the stand is. You can adjust it by turning it any way you like, and I think every programmer knows that it's a valuable feature. Okay folks, last but not least, let me give you my final thoughts on this product. Should you get it for yourself? Well folks, my answer would be yes. I think that BenQ GW32 monitor is an excellent choice for boosting your productivity, and especially for those who have to code on a daily basis. And guys, considering all the great features it offers, it's pretty affordable too. In United States, you can buy it for around $400. I mean, for a high-end product like this, that's a pretty affordable price. All in all, if you are like me and spend long hours staring at screens, this monitor's built-in comforts make it a very attractive choice. Alright my friends, that's all. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.